Well, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tonya, and if you're returning, today I have a really quick Dollar Tree haul. I wasn't going to upload this one yet, but some of these items I'm actually going to be using for some of the DIYs that I'm finishing up for Saturday's videos. And don't forget, I upload every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I've got several DIYs for you coming up this weekend. I am so excited. These are all Dollar Tree DIYs, and these look so high end and beautiful. I just cannot wait to share them with you. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the items that I found at Dollar Tree today, and I can't wait to share. The first one I found is these bunnies, and I absolutely love the shape of these. And look at these. Now, I ended up getting 3 of these. I don't know if I will use all 3 of these, but I'm definitely trying to pick up some things for the giveaway that I'm going to do when I reach the 4,000 subscribers. And first of all, let me thank everyone that has been subscribing to my channel. I am so thankful, and it seems like it's growing, that everyone really liked the last Dollar Tree DIY video. So I just wanted to thank you for that real quick. But back to our great finds. These bunnies are wonderful. And the reason why I like these so much, you could actually use these as a pattern to cut out fabric and different things. So go get these before they get gone. Now, the second wood ones that I found was the little bunnies that set up. They've actually had these before, but look how they done this with the white wash on them. And I just absolutely love that. I mean, you could just take and put something on here with your Cricut, or, you know, hand draw it, or, you know, even use some of the lettering that they have there at Dollar Tree. But this is one of my favorite shapes that they have every year at Dollar Tree. Now, this is all random, so I'm just going to pull it out as I can get a hold of it, because I've got to finish those DIYs for you Saturday. Now, these are the ones that are just a little for kids, but I like to flip them backwards and do like a nice little painting. And sometimes it's very simple. I just put one of the little tumbling blocks there, and it makes a really cute little shelf sitter. I actually have a video that I did that last year. I'll try to link that in the description of this video for you. Now, here is one of the signs. They had several of these signs, but this was my favorite one. And I just thought this one I could really paint really nice and bring it into my neutral decor. But everyone, definitely go as soon as you can and check out these wood pieces, because I'm sure that they will get gone. And of course, I think this one's been shown in several videos lately, but I have a really fun idea planned for this one, and it's kind of unique. Now, I did get just one of the eggs, and the reason why I got this is I like the shape of it, and once again, it's got that white wash on it, and I thank you, Dollar Tree, for really doing that. And here's my random mirror, and I'm going to tell you, for other YouTubers that film, I use this mirror when I am filming where I can kind of hold the mirror up and I can check to see if my camera is still on. So there's a little tip for everybody out there filming your videos. If you ever get caught like I have before, where you stop filming all of a sudden and you do not know it, this is a great way just to reach up there and take a peek and see if your camera's still on. Now, here are some of these wood bunnies. I absolutely love these. I wish I would have got more of these, but I picked up 3 because I love to buy things in 3s. And these are really solid. So many things you can do with these. Stain them, paint them. But that was definitely a good one. Now, I did get a few packs of the smaller little, they're called the color your own ornaments. But you can do so many different things with these, like I've been doing lately. I've been really loving wrapping everything in yarn. And Dollar Tree has really beautiful yarn right now. But I got a pack of the bunnies, and I thought these little tiny ones were really, really cute. And I love the shape. I really like how they're getting a more realistic shape of the actual bunnies. And of course, I picked up some eggs, maybe for some garland. And I have so many of these, but I grab these every time I go, basically just to throw my items in as I'm shopping, but I always find a use for these. And everyone, I said it on my last haul, definitely go and grab this greenery while they have it. This is my favorite one. It's kind of cloudy and rainy here today, so I don't know if you can pick up the lighting on it. But I love that this one is a very light color tone, and it just looks so good with the whites and the neutrals. And I'm sure it would look good with the colors also. But these are my favorites. This one right here is the one that is very, you can pull these off really easy is what I'm trying to say. And they make really good little accent pieces just to pop in on the sides or behind or in front of your decorations. And then I absolutely love these to make the wreaths out of, which I had done that in my last DIY. And just really beautiful. Now they have darker greenery there if you like that also. But definitely go check out that greenery. And of course I picked up some of the Chanel yarn. I love this one. I think it's just so pretty with the neutral color palette that I like to use for my home decor, and definitely pretty to be wrapping up some of your little items in. And everyone, I have to pick up these every time I go. I actually set and draw out all my designs on my little sticky notes and stick them all around everywhere so I know what supplies I need. But love the little sticky notes. And let's see what else I got. Now I did just pick up some nails. Everyone, you probably know some days my nails look really good, some days they don't. But I'll tell you my little tip if any of you out there do actually wear the artificial nails. I like to buy several packs at one time of the same color and style, and that way you can really mix them up and you can get a lot more wears out of them that way. And I started doing that probably a few months ago, and it really saves me money. And I like the fact that if I break one or if it pops off, I can go back in there and fix my nail really quick because I bought 3 packs and I've got plenty of them. Now, I don't know if you've ever thought of this before. I pick up these little soap dishes when I can get them in this off-white color. And I love to use these as a base. I actually have a really neat little idea that I'm gonna do with this, with these little bunnies here. And I was so happy to find the small little bunnies with the greenery on there. The moss bunnies are just so cute. And I'm sure these will get gone also, but this was definitely fine. You get 3 of the bunnies in there, and I think, what is it? Yeah, 1 standing and 2 are kind of laying down, but that's another really good find. And sorry, you can probably hear Lou walking around, my border collie husky. I absolutely loved these little jars, and I just happened to catch these on an end cap. And let me see if I can hold it up, the camera focus in there. But I got 3 of these. And just because I thought that I would do something, of course, with the little flower arrangements. And I think this is just a really cute little item to set up for spring and summer, and just pop some little herbs in there, seeds, or just whatever you like. So we'll definitely do something with these. And I picked up some of the little cotton balls. Well, they look like they're pom-poms actually. But I thought these are always great to have, just to add on different things, to have that little bunny tail going there. And then I only got a couple more items here for you. I picked up one of the flower and garden containers in the tin, and I like to get these every year because these are fun just to put on your front porch, in the house, just anywhere. I just think this is a really pretty design. And now, of course, you guys know that I love the neutrals, but I do like to pull in the black sometimes. So I really was happy to find these black planners. But everyone, that's pretty much it for the haul today. And I definitely will be uploading those DIYs for you Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you enjoyed this haul, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. I have so much to share with you this year in 2022. and I'm gonna go ahead and get back on those DIYs. And everyone, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed rest of the week, and I will see you Saturday.